As I suspected, most all of those are really too large. They're cross flows, but this is a possibility here. It doesn't fasten the same way as the Barracuda. The top inlet is on the opposite side, as is the bottom, but I don't know. I'm gonna take it over to the car and take a look and see. I just like the way it's in really good condition. It's brand new. I'm gonna give this one a try and see if it can be adapted to. I just want something really reliable for the trip, and then I'll still have my original one that I can put on later when I get it rebuilt. Thanks for watching. It's an interesting thing here with these 273s. The water pump arrangement, where the outlet of the pump, the inlet of the pump, they're different than the 318, which causes it to have a difference on the radiators. Alright, as you can see, this is the original Barracuda radiator, and this is what I came up with. And the necks are pretty close to where they need to be. Definitely shorter, definitely wider. Angle iron can make it adapt. I'll give it a try, see what I've got, see if I can build something before I make the decision to put this in. I can always get this record or reworked, made sure it's in good shape, but I sure like a new one.